Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to limit FPS in Marvel Rivals. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and help us reach our milestone of 1000 subscribers. Okay, so let's dive in. Now just click over here on settings on top right, head to settings, and display section, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here's the option limit FPS. On this, and you can set it all the way down from 30 to 240. For example, I want to set it to 60 FPS. Okay, now just press enter and you're good to go. That's it for the video. That's how you can limit FPS in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching.